In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscribe form with Getresponse. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so that by the end, you'll have a fully working subscription form that can start capturing emails for your list right away. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your main Getresponse dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and find the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Forms and Pop-ups. This is the section where you'll create and manage everything related to your opt-in forms. Next, we're going to actually create a new form. On this page, click the Create button. Getresponse will ask you what kind of form you want to build. You'll see options like in a pop-up and embedded in a page. If you want something quick that shows up as a pop-up on your site, choose in a pop-up. If you prefer a form that's part of a page layout, choose embedded in a page. Pick the option that best fits how you want your visitors to see the form. Once you've chosen the format, you'll be taken to the template library. Here you can browse through a variety of pre-designed forms. This is a huge time saver because the layouts and styles are ready to go. Look for a template that matches your brand's style and the goal of your form, whether that's newsletter signups, lead magnets, or webinar registrations. When you find one you like, select it to open it in the editor. Now it's time to customize. In the editor, you can double-click any text to change it. Update the headline so it clearly explains what people are signing up for, and adjust the smaller text to match your offer or message. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option called Form Fields. Click that if you want to add more input boxes, like first name, last name, or any custom fields you use. As a tip, keep the form as simple as possible. Often, just a name and email address will get you more signups. After you're happy with how the form looks, click the gear icon to open the form settings. Here you'll choose your target list, which is the email list where new subscribers will be added. Make sure you select the correct list so your contacts are stored and managed in the right place. When everything is set, click Next, then click Update. Getresponse will generate your installation code. This is the code you'll paste into your website so the form appears live for your visitors. Copy that code, install it on your site where needed, and your new subscribe form is ready to start collecting leads.